Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December 15, 2021. Tesla has almost came and filled the gap. I was telling you all about this gap long ago, right? I was telling you all to be prepared for Tesla to go down in price to try to fill this gap and take a look at it. Yeah, I was already there. I was already expecting the market in Tesla to go down and try to fill the gap. I'm going to talk about that today, and then we're going to try to see what's next. Give you all the update as to what I'm noticing on the price chart in Tesla. So welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News, the spot, the location that you're going to get the realistic price prediction in the market without the confusion. So make sure, hit that like button, subscribe, because there's a lot of confusion going on, right? And let me give you all an example, right? There's an individual on Twitter, right? His name or his Twitter handle is Trades, right? Now here it is. He's asking a very important question that so many people don't understand. They're confused, and he's confused right alongside with them. Let's see what his tweet reads. AMC and GME, right? Those are two totally different separate companies, right? Yes, they are. They have two totally different separate markets. They have, according to this tweet, entirely different fundamentals, management, data, selling points, right? So now he asked the question, why have they moved nearly the exact same for a whole year? Retail buying and selling at the exact same time for a year. Doubtful. So what else could it be? See, he is lost into understanding dynamics of the markets. This is why Wall Street analysts, those who truly understand how these markets work, continue to push you all to do fundamental analysis. They want you to look at a company's fundamentals. They want you to look at the management. They want you to look at data. They want you to look at selling points. They want you to look at upcoming news catalysts. They want you to study technical indicators. This is what they want you to do. And so many people, including trades, continue to follow and think that that's going to give them a leg up. And that is not true. You need to pull back and take all of this noise away, because he doesn't even understand what the market is trying to do. Now, you're at a great spot, because if you've been following my videos, I don't pay attention to none of that. It's all garbage. It's all filth. I know that information is literally being placed in front of us to confuse me, to confuse you. So I don't use it. I simply look at what the market is trying to do in terms of price and its price action. Look at Tesla. There's an individual in every market, right? So he mentioned AMC and GME. There are coordinators, market specialists, the ones that we term the trap. The one that you see on the bottom left side of my screen, that he is the one who is moving the price. It is his job to fill the void. Think about this. This is a market, right? You have buyers, you got sellers. The buyers want to buy Tesla at a very cheap price, right? If we all could buy Tesla today, would you rather buy it at $958, or would you rather buy it at $100? Shoot, why stop at $100? Would you rather buy Tesla at $22, right? You got people who have orders in Tesla around $20, around $100. That's the spot to that they're willing to buy this stock. Well, what if you're a seller? Do you want to sell around 20? Do you want to sell your stock at 100? No, because it's worth $953 right now. That was the last trade. You will want to sell it as high as possible. You would like to sell Tesla at $5,000 per share. A seller would like to sell Tesla at $10,000 per share. You see that void? Buyers want to buy on the low. Sellers want to sell on the high. That is a massive disparity that needs to be filled. That is the purpose of a market specialist, the one that we term the trap. He takes on the risk to create this market. Take a look in Tesla. As we saw price in 2020 in Tesla go from $100 all the way to $1,200, he created that. He did that. The buyers and the sellers didn't do that. He moved the market in Tesla to where it is today. He brings all those people together. Without him, we will not have an efficient and orderly market. This is why you just pay attention to the price, because this is his work. This is his accomplishments. This is what he did in terms of moving Tesla's price. Fundamentals didn't move this price. No, a new Tesla Roadster didn't move this price in Tesla. Elon Musk's tweets did not move this price in Tesla. Other positive news catalysts did not push up price in Tesla. The one who did it is this market specialist. Now, you don't know his name. You don't know what he even looks like, but he's there in the background playing these markets day in and day out whenever the market is open. So why are you worried about everything else? You need to worry about him and where he's trying to take this market. All right, cool. That's it. So now let me break this down real quick. You guys can still see that Tesla's in an uptrend. So the trap is still doing his work. He is still allowing this price in Tesla to go up. So even in the long term, as long as this price doesn't break this overall trend, we're going to go up in price. I don't care. I know what he's trying to do. He hasn't broken this trend yet. So his agenda, his long-term agenda so far is still to let Tesla go up. Now, we almost filled that gap though. You saw that gap, right? We almost filled it yesterday. So we need to try to make a determination. Are we going to truly fill it, or are we going to continue to let the market in Tesla go up, right? Now, we broke the support area around $1,000. I told you all that. I was looking for the market to break that, and we did. Let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. It's about 5.6%, okay? Look at this on the 3-day. I mean, what are you noticing? Are you expecting the market to go up or down? What do you think the trap is trying to do? Because currently, I'm still seeing a weakness here into the market in Tesla. I don't see a lot of strength over the last couple of 5-day price bars, specifically this last one. Okay, I don't see it. Now, let me go ahead. I don't want to waste too much of your time. You guys can see that we got some strength that came into the market in Tesla. So it looked like the market on the short term, at least on an hourly basis, it's going to try to come back up to $980 to $1,000, right? Yeah, I can actually see that on the hourly time frame. So let me see something. From where the low came in on yesterday, it's about 1.9%, maybe 2% movement to the downside in Tesla for us to 100% fill that gap, maybe about 2%. So from a longer term basis, right? 5-day, weekly time frame, I'm not massively bullish in Tesla. But from what I'm seeing from the trap perspective, it's kind of hard. It looked like he's going to try it on, at least on an hourly basis, he's going to try to uplift this market in Tesla. Right? Maybe back up to 1,000. Like 4.35%. He might take it up there to 1,038. Yeah, we might get a small push up higher in price in Tesla. The longer time frame, I'm definitely seeing the market as weak. So let me see. So what I'm going to do, this is not on a short-term basis. Okay, so from out the gate, I'm here to tell you that, yeah, price in Tesla is geared to go up in price, right? From an hourly perspective, but I'm looking for, selling to come through into the market around 1,000, maybe up there towards 1,035. Okay, so I'm going to extend out this horizontal line because that is the ultimate area of restriction. So the price may actually come up there to 1,000, but I will be expecting us to see some weakness come through there. And I'm going to play the weakness though. Now I'm still looking for the market to ultimately try to come in and fill that gap, or at best come up here to these highs of these daily price bars here, right, which is around $882, somewhere around there. It might even come down to 880 in Tesla in the long term, right? So yeah, I might get some comments. I already know in the comment section that I got it wrong because the price went up. I get it. From out the gate, I'm already expecting that to happen in the market in Tesla. But when I look at this on a longer term basis, this is how I'm playing the prediction. It's because I'm still seeing the market as weak on these long-term time frames, right? And especially right here on the 5-week time frame, you guys can really see the weakness right here. Now we got 2 days and 9 hours, so I mean it's still kind of in limbo. It's not etched in stone, but what I'm seeing over the last 2 5-weekly price bars is definitely weakness. So that's how I'm going to play it right now. But in the next 2 days, if I see anything change in regarding to strength and market breaking above 1,000, then yeah, I'll have to come back through and reevaluate the situation. But as of right now, it's going to play a little bit of weakness here in the market in Tesla. So I got us trying to fill the gap right there around 900, which will give us around 6.19%. And then the second area for us to try to eat out the market is around $875. And that's how we're going to play it there. Now, when I see this on a 5-weekly basis, look at this. We can see the price come all the way back down to 800 or maybe even 850 from a 5-weekly perspective. Yeah. So 850. That would be around 11% movement to the downside in Tesla. I'm not going to put that on the chart yet. I'm not going to follow that just yet. I really want to see how strong this market is going to be on this next move higher. Okay. So that's it. Let me know. What do you all think about Tesla? Where you all think the price is going to go? I am done. So now it's your turn. Drop your price prediction for Tesla with a comment below. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.